Welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 20, National and Regional Parties. Under this session, we will cover meanings of national and the regional party, national parties and the regional parties. So coming towards the first topic, meaning of a national and a regional party. India has a multi-party system. There are both national and regional parties. The Election Commission recognizes a party as a national party if it fulfills one of the two conditions. The conditions are it secures 3.33% vote or seats in elections to the Legislative Assembly. And number 2, it secures 4% of votes or seats in Lok Sabha election. 4 seats. Meaning of a national and a regional party. The regional party is limited to a geographical region which may cover a state or a couple of states. They come into being to be defend and preserves regional culture, identity of a region. Regional parties are often seen promoting regionalism, giving primary to narrow local interest. The year 1989 ushered in the phase of multi-party system at the center. The period from 1960s onward has been significant in Indian party system because of the existence of a large number of national and regional parties. So we are discussing the topic the national parties. The earlier decades are known as phase of the one party dominance. Coming towards the first party, that is Congress. The Congress One has emerged from the Indian National Congress, which was born in 1885 in Bombay. In the beginning, Congress was an elite organization, and under the Gandhian leadership, it became a mass organization. The provision of provincial autonomy under the Government of India Act 1935 provided an opportunity to the Congress Party to acquire some training in the art of running the administration between 1937 to 1939. The outcome of the fourth general election, which was held in 1967, retained the Congress dominance in a big way. In the year 1969, the Congress Party split for the first time into the new Congress led by Indira Gandhi and the old Congress led by S. Najiyalingappa. The sixth general election in 1977 resulted in the defeat of the Congress Party and comfortable majority for the Janata Party. The Janata Party experiment at the center failed into 2 years, mainly due to personality clashes among the leaders and factional fights. In 1980, the Congress One returned to the power, restoring Congress dominance with 2/3 majority in the Lok Sabha. The Congress One emerged as a single market party, getting 197 seats. No party could secure clear majority in Lok Sabha. The ideology of Congress Party. The Congress Party has been committed to socialism, secularism and democracy. The party stood up for rural and urban land ceiling. In 1971 election, the Congress gave slogan of Garibi Hatao. The 1984 manifesto did not mention socialism or the need of curbing monopolies. In 1999, the Congress election manifesto advocated the need of capitalist economy integrated with the world capitalist system. The social base. The party had changed as an elite organization of the education, urban middle class. In 1920s, it acquired a mass base. It was the shift of the middle caste vote, especially from the later half of the 1960s onward, away from Congress that led to its losing election in many states. The main support base of Congress has been the upper caste, more particularly the Brahmins, scheduled caste, and the Muslims. Next is the organization. The central office of the party is situated in New Delhi. The central office supervises the function of Pradesh Congress Committee, District Congress Committees, and the Block Congress Committees. The District Congress Committee maintain records, raise funds, and recommend candidates. Next party is the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Bharatiya Janata Party came into being in 1980s in the wake of split in the Janata Party on the issues of dual membership. The controversy of this issue resulted in existence of the Bharatiya Jana Sangh constituents or the RSS members from the Janata Party. After leaving the Janata Party, the Bharatiya Jana Sangh constituted launched the Bharatiya Janata Party. The RSS, founded by Keshav Baliram Hegedewar in 1925, has been an organizational backbone earlier for the Bharatiya Jana Sangh and the Bharatiya Janata Party. In 1996 Lok Sabha election, the BJP emerged as the single largest party, securing 162 seats. The president invited Atal Bihari Vajpayee to form the government. The ideology of BJP. In the beginning, the BJP attempted to project a different image of Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the first president of BJP, had linked the emergence of the BJP with Jai Prakash Narayan's vision of glorious India in the first convention of the party held at Bombay. The Jana Sangh aimed at rebuilding Bharat as a modern domestic society according to religious prospects. The BJP proclaimed to make these policies the core of its development strategy and to build national consequences around them. In 1984, the party laid stress on the development of both agriculture and industry. In 1996, the BJP kept repeating its commitment to Swadeshi economy, but it actually appropriated the Congress. The social base. The BJP, like its predecessor, the Bharatiya Jana Sangh, has enjoyed support base in the Hindi belt. It also has strong presence in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Since 1989, the party has been trying to penetrate into South India. BJP's traditional support base was among upper caste, small and medium traders and shopkeepers. It is mainly seen as Hindu party. The organization at the national level of BJP has a party president and the national council. The party plenary of special section. At the state level, the party has a council and the state executive followed by regional committees, district committees and the block committees. The BJP also has front organization like Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha and Bharatiya Janata Mahila Morcha. Next is the Communist Party. The main communist party which exist in India are the Communist Party of India, the Communist Party of India or the CPI, and several Naxalite groups. The CPI was founded in Kanpur in 1925. At the time of independence, there emerged two political lines within the Communist Party of India about the nature of Indian state. The freedom struggle and the question of how to bring revolution in India according to tenets of Marxism and Leninism and the future course of action. In the early 1950s, a change could be noticed in the Soviet Union attitude towards Nehru and the Congress government. This change was also reflected in the attitude of Communist Party of India. In 1962, with the Chinese attack on India, the two lines within the party came to the surface again. A group within the CPI even refused to condemn the Chinese aggression in the name of proletarian unity, while the other group supported the stand of Government of India. A group within the CPI approving the path of armed revolution broke out from the CPI in 1968. They were called Naxalites because they started their experiment of capturing power through armed revolution and from the place called Naxabari in Bengal. The CPI started participating in elections from the very first election held in 1952. The Communist Party of India continued getting around 9% of vote in general election. The ideology. The Indian Communist Party believed that only the establishment of the socialist society according to revolutionary principles of the Marxism and Leninism can enable the country to overcome the problems of backwardness, inequality, ignorance, and poverty. In the light of this understanding, the CPI assessed the Nehru government and supported Indira Gandhi government even during emergency. In the post-1977 phase, the anti-Congressism because an essential part of CPI's policy. In line with its goal of national democracy, the CPI even joined the coalition government at the center in 1996. The CPIM believes in complete destruction of the Indian state and establishment of people's democracy. Social base. Apart from their strongholds of Kerala, West Bengal, and Tripura, the Communist Party have pockets of influence in some other states like Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu. The Communist Party gets support largely from the working class, middle class, agricultural labor, and small peasants. The organization. All India Party Congress is the supreme party organ of the CPJ and CPI. In the case of Communist Party of India, it is convened by the National Council, and in case of CPIM, it is convened by the Central Committee. The Party Congress discusses and act on the report of the National Council in case of CPI and Central Committee in case of the CPIM. The Bahujan Samaj Party. Krishan Ram founded the Bahujan Samaj Party BSP on April 14, 1984. The BSP argues that the minority high castes have been using the votes of Bahujan Samaj to rule over them. The BSP contested election in 1985 when its candidate Mayawati fought a by-election from Bijnor Lok Sabha constituency in Uttar Pradesh. The BSP candidate come third after the Congress and Janata Dal candidates. Regional parties. The factors that give rise to regional parties may be cultural, economic, and political. It may vary from case to case and from time to time. India is a multi-religious and multi-ethnic country. A desire to maintain this cultural distinctions has been at the root of regional movements led by the DMK, AIADMK, and JMM and AGP. DMK and AIADMK. The origin of DMK is traced to the anti-Brahmin movement in the Madras presidency in the early part of the last century. The Congress was seen as an instrument in the hand of the Brahmins to perpetuate their domination in administration and other professions. The origin of DMK is traced to the anti-Brahmin movement in Madras presidency in the early part of last century. The Justice Party and the Self-Respect movement merged to create the DMK under the leadership of Naicker. A section of the youth was alienated because of its opposition to the Congress. NT North India feeling and the desire to celebrate the independence as a day of mourning. The DMK blamed the Aryans, the North Indians, for the backwardness of the Tamils. It has been against imposition of Hindi. The DMK entered Lok Sabha for the first time in 1956. It won the assembly elections, making Hindi imposition as an election issue. In 1972, the DMK split over the issue of the expulsion from the party of MGR, a Tamil film hero, and the party treasurer. It found the principle of electoral alliance with National Party and won the 1977 assembly elections. It won 12 seats in 1984 Lok Sabha elections. Next is the Shiromani Akali Dal. The Shiromani Akali Dal emerged in the 1920s as a movement of Sikh against the corrupt parties of Mahantas in the Gurudwaras. In 1925, the government passed the Sikh Gurudwara Act. The Akali Dal tried to keep a firm grip over the SGPCs, arguing that in Sikh tradition, the church has not been separated from the state. The main focus of the Anandpur Sahib Declaration of 1973 was more autonomy to Punjab. The declaration demanded that the central government should have power only over defense, foreign affairs, communication and currency. Rest of the power should be given to the states. Shiromani Akali Dal leadership wanted a state where Sikh religion would safer. In 1966, Master Tara Singh, as a spokesman of SAD, demanded the Punjabi Sabha. The central government created a Sikh majority state in November 1966 by separating Haryana from Punjab. This integration of Akali Dal continued as United Akali Dal was born, headed by Joginder Singh and father of Bhindranwale. The National Conference. The origin of the National Congress can be treated to the political ferment in the state of Jammu and Kashmir in 1920s and 30s when a Hindu Maharaja ruled it. In 1935, the Muslim Conference was born to articulate the interest of majority community in the state, Muslim. The National Conference government come to power in the same year. In 1965, the National Conference and the Congress Party merged. After his release from prison in 1975 as a part of the Indira Sheikh Accord, Abdullah received the National Conference. The Assam Gana Parishad. The AGP is a product of the various student movement led by All Assam Student Union and its political wing, the All Assam Gana Sangram Parishad. They developed the fear of being swamped in their own land by migrants. They were disenacted with the central government and the Congress Party for treating the migrants as a vote bank. In 1985, the central government assigned an accord with the AAGSP, which stated that the constitutional, legislative, and administrative safeguard, as may be appropriate, shall be provided to protect, preserve, and promote the cultural, social, linguistic identity and heritage of the Assamese people. The Assam Gana Parishad was formed in 1985. It contested and won the assembly elections in 1986 under the leadership of Prafulla Kumar Mohanta. Next is the Jharkhand Party. The roots of Jharkhand Party can be tracked to the Advish Mahasabha founded in 1938 for preservation of the ethnic identity and protection and promotion of economic interest of Adivasis. According to their understanding, the reason of their social and economic backwardness was firstly the British rule. The Adivasi Mahasabha was transformed into the Jharkhand Party in 1950 with the objective of forming a separate state for the tribals. The party emerged as the main opposition party in Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1952, 1957 and 1962 elections. The merger of Jharkhand Party with the Congress Party in 1963 proved to be a big blow to the Jharkhand movement. Now and last, there are some exercises for you. Some questions which are based on this session. The questions are: number 1, which factors led to the formation of AGP? And number 2, what are the main demands which the Shiromani Akali Dal has raised from time to time? Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.